Hi, I'm Mike Brogley, IP and Solutions Product Marketing Manager at Actel Corporation, the world leader in low-power and mixed-signal flash FPGAs. This video shows the mixed-signal power manager reference design and the MPM GUI running on the SmartFusion Evaluation Kit and the MPM Daughter Card. So here we are in the MPM GUI. The thresholds are in rail A1 are set here. Also further down, the power sequencing is assigned to slot 1 and with a 500 millisecond up and down delay. Also on this screen, so you can select the other rails, and the first 4 rails are the ones that are on the MPM Daughter Card. Those 4 regulators are all set and shown here. They all happen to be each in their own slot and 500 millisecond delay. So if I look at the next one, this is where the output flags are set. And each flag can be configured to look at particular rails or combination of rail cases, states, to build simple or complex state flags. If I switch to the miscellaneous tab and the graph tab, I can see the power sequencing settings and the results. So back on the miscellaneous, you can see I'm in reverse, that is first up, last down. And as you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1 is what we're going to expect out of the functions. So if I write this to the NVM, and all I'm doing is writing the NVM register values, and I look on the board, so I'll hit a reset here, and then I'll, the board is up, the board has power, as you can see, none of the regulators are on. If I hit the sequencing button, 1, 2, 3, 4, the LEDs light up showing those regulators are enabled in sequence. Now if I change the display, or the tab, change the display here to show the output, and I rotate the potentiometer for regulator 1, you can just see the settings changing up there on the OLED display through the various set points set in those thresholds. Now if I put the jumper on to re-enable trimming on rail 1 and turn the potentiometer, as I turn it up and down, you don't see any changes at all up there on the OLED. And in person, you could obviously see the values not changing as well. I can disable the rail here and show that it is actually interrupt the enable pin on the regulator, and do that for all 4 of the regulators here. Now if I go back and hit the sequencing button again, you can see the down sequence, 4, 3, 2, 1. In this order of sequencing, if I hit it again, 1, 2, 3, 4, the regulators come up in sequence, and then hit it down again, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now if I want to change this, we go back to the GUI. The settings all on these other tabs don't have to change. I could go over to the miscellaneous tab by changing the 1 value to forward and look at the graph, see that now they're up and down in the same sequence, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Write that to the NVM and go back to the board. And then we can see that if I hit a reset, I'll hit sequence, up 1, 2, 3, 4, and then hit another reset, hit another sequence, 1, 2, 3, 4 down. So those changes, as I hit this again to show you again, 1, 2, 3, 4 up, those are all just from the regulator or the register values changing in MPM. No need to reprogram the FPGA. You can see more videos at the Actel YouTube channel, Actel Corp, at the address shown here. Thank you for your time.